in this room. Right? So whenever they come on the stage, I highly recommend you can welcome them with warm welcome, because if you cheer for somebody else today, somebody will cheer for you tomorrow, right? So, all right, so let's welcome anybody done 70, 100 points or silver, brand new silver on the stage. You're working hard, and it's an amazing couple, a great team player. Always actually help to set up everything, and always ask me, let me know what to do, right? And if we can help you, and the great heart they have. I'm so proud of you guys. You've done silver, and I know your upline is way far like us, right? But you've done it right, and Vancouver is like that, right? Vancouver design like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, way, right?
Yeah.
So why don't we help them? Brand new silver, Rizvi and Aisha.
Feeling so great, and we've been working for this. Thank God, everything the grace of God, and yeah, it's a power of spoken word. We've been speaking about this right from when we brought 2,500 to 4,000 people very badly we needed, and from there onward we have been talking and talking. It's a power of spoken word really, and of course, yeah, it's not come very easily. A lot of work involved, and yeah, we are Rizvi and Aisha, part of Dilip and Chitra Paraganka team, the Emerald Gold Diamond couple from Atlanta, Georgia. We are part of their team, and also proudly they've been mentoring us right from the beginning up to the silver and on. And yeah, so proud to be in their team and happy to be. And our LOS Mega Diamond Chetan Rastogi and Diamond Sajid Sayyed all the way up to Raja and Sangeeta Shah.
Yeah.
Of course, like I said, is this a business that we work with people? People in the sense we go through so many, you all know, so many personalities, so many attitudes, but we have gone through all that and managed all that, and end of the day it's worth it, because the income potential we have in this business just the beginning. Way more to go, so it's really worth working. But not only that, it's the system. BW, thank God, Bill Britt created this system, and we've been part of this system, and no question about this system. Don't question, just do what needs to be done. That's what we did. Four basics, 9 core steps, on and on. Consistently, and listen to your mentors, just without question, because they have gone through a lot of experience. So just do what they've been asked. So that's the way we've been building, thank God. And we have great team players in our team, great leaders, like just broke a new pin, Sajira and Nasrat, and they've been working throughout, and they have created the very good goal, and they've been working towards the goal.
Fantastic.
They have created a result today. You have seen they have very energetic young team, and of course we have Jacob and Lisa. They've been, in a short time, they have created a big pin, and they have very good work ethic, teachable couple, and very easy to work with, and they've been creating a good momentum. And also we have so many leaders like J.D. Puri and Gurpreet Sabrina and many more. And yeah, and Suresh and Kiran, as another couple you saw, they broke 600 PV. They've been working very teachable, very much. They attend all the association, and like us, like what we've been doing right from the beginning, this open and pace has created a great momentum for us. Thank you so much, our friends, our crosslines, our leaders, crossline leaders, the Vancouver leaders, from the pace to open. The momentum that created, the belief level that we built, not only just because we've been coming for the meeting. When we started attending open and pace, we didn't give up. Unless some family obligations, other than that we have been coming and coming. That created the great belief level to be where we are today. So thank you so much for all the great Vancouver leaders, for the All Cross line, but they have been creating us so much in many ways. I can't be explaining right now every way what you have been helping us, but that really created us to be in this today, the great belief and the success we achieved today. So thank you once again for all the